Here we come to the elevators that go up to the bridge here at Rockville Station.
Going up.
We have some modded USs that are soon to be modernized again. Here we go. Here, bridge.
Bridge level. Going down.
There we go, back down. Up.
Mezzanine level. Going up.
Send it up.
Mezzanine level. Going up.
We have the other elevator. Go up to the bridge, and here we go.
Going down.
Go back down to the mezzanine. Door close does not want to work on this elevator. Here we go back down. These elevators are just so beat up and worn. Thank goodness WMATA is going to potentially give them a fresh mod, but it's about time that they give them a mod because they're looking kind of beat up. Here we are back at mezzanine. Here we are back at mezzanine. That voice is obnoxious. Leveling is extremely slow on this.
Going up.
Go back to the bridge. The button doesn't even line up. Door close does not work. Here we go.
Going down.
You don't need to tell us. You're at bridge, and that will be it.